What's up, guys? Welcome to another OC Media episode. I'm just gonna bring you along with us, and we're gonna go explore some abandoned buildings. Starting off with this one right here. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's little holes in the windows. On all those windows right there. See if we can't get this little drone to go through it. See what we can get. Alright, here we go. Let's go see what we can find. We got full battery. Full goggles, good everything. Alright, just had to switch it over into manual mode so I can fucking fly. Looking out for wires for sure. It's hard to talk and fly at the same time. I just realized that. Oh shit. That was crazy. Forgot how freaking fast this drone is. You can hear it zipping outside. Alright, let's go inside this building. I'll knock it down another step so I can slow down a little bit. Alright. Am I gonna fit through this window? The answer is yes, we're in. What the heck? There's all kinds of machinery up here. The floor looks good. People don't even know I'm up here. There's a stairwell. There is a stairwell. I hope this doesn't cut my satellites off. We're down there. I know it's hard to see, but we're down there. I can't tell if there's glass or what. Alright, so do I want to go down the stairs? So this is some kind of conveyor belt right here. Alright, let me get out of this floor and I'll go back in, because I don't feel comfortable with losing this drone in this building. So, alright, gotta make sure it's a broke window. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we went to that floor. Just drop a floor and check it out. It's like I'm a ghost. And we're in. What are these pipes? All different types of pipes on the ground. Oh look, there's a little balcony. The door open. Well, this is the way to get in right here. Look at there. Alright, so that was the second floor. Let's go another floor down. Sorry guys, this is boring. I mean, this is what I got to do today. I have no idea where I'm at or what I'm doing, but I'm exploring without exploring, you know? This is safety. Pretty sure that's a gunshot wound. It might be a gunshot. Those are definitely gunshot holes. Looks like the drywall. It doesn't look bad in here, as bad as it does outside. I mean, this would be a good place to squat if you were a squatter, for sure. Pretty interesting. Let's drop another floor. Wait, there's a door. I think this is just a stairwell room right here I'm looking at. But I gotta find a way out of here now because I can't tell if the glass is glass or is it busted out. It's one or the other. If so, we can go out upstairs. There's always that room. Okay, I see busted glass here, so let's go out this way. Alright. Alright, so there's 2 more floors. These 2 floors have an extra little something something on the side, so we're gonna go in here and see what they got. So we're in. Sorry you get so quiet there when I'm squeezing through that window. I'm talking about I ain't got no room. It's a big door. Big door. I don't know if I can fit through there without losing my drone. See a big truck. I can hear that big truck right here and it's scaring me. I didn't know what it was. Somebody pulled up. The electric guys. I had to do a battery change anyways, so let's I'll get back to it. Let's go check that last floor out. Alright, Gordon, here we go. Let's go check this last floor out, and then we're gonna skedaddle. I'm getting too much attention over here. Alright, we done took off, we're out of here. We're over here by the building again. It's got some oil containers down here. Switch this down into... Alright, last building. Look, last building's got a hole. Last little window's got a hole in it. Let's check it around. Stay away from these trees. Oh, there's a big old window there. We could probably see what's in there. Dark. I don't know if my drone can fit through that window, to be honest with you. There's that door we were seeing. Alright, some kind of pump room or something. Electricity guys are leaving. cars going by. I don't think I can fit in there, guys. I honestly don't. I don't think those windows, my professional opinion, are not bigger than those windows. These windows down here I think are smaller. They look bigger, but I think they're smaller. Because I'm guessing my wings. Oh, here's a little shack. Oh, little shack with a door open. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Hopefully nothing steals my fucking drone in here. Okay, so that's a dead drop to your death. Gotta watch out because the floor is all fucked up. What's this way? Oh. Go back. Go outside. I'm losing the video. Oh, got my video back. Alright. It does not like being behind this concrete building. Look down there. Man, that's so cool. I need to get in there. Can I fit this window? Haha! Look at that, guys. How crazy is that? Old boiler. I'm sitting on this pole right here. I'm perched on the pole. Alright, we gotta get out of here before I lose signal. Here we go. Xville. We're out. I thought those windows were a lot smaller. I swear those windows look smaller than these. These are bigger windows. Alright, let's go see what else we can find. I think that's about it. There's this thing. Can we go see what this thing is? Got a window open here. This looks like it's still being used. What is that? It's like a conveyor, elevator shaft of some sort. Swing out because I don't know what's in there. Look at the grass growing on top. I'm getting a warning of high wind. Very windy up here. Here's a building right here. Look at this. They got blinds on them. Got a sheet. I don't know what this is. Wild. Alright, y'all ready for a dive real quick? And then we're gonna switch off and I'm gonna go home. Here we go. Little jam session. Little jam session for you. Here we go. And that's how we do it.